channel. Here I'm going to share full fresh working discount code for IKEA.com. You can use right now. If you're from any country, you can simply use this code. How you can use it: select what you want to buy from this website and add this code on a checkout page, and you will get discount according to the terms and condition. So here is a full fresh working code you can use right now. And let me tell you one more thing: you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time. So here is a full fresh code you can use right now on IKEA. Before that, let me tell you one more thing: it takes lot of time to find working coupon code. If you want more, let me know in the comment section, and appreciate my work by simply click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this is code number 1, where you will get 10% off on IKEA by using this code. And this is code number 2, where you will get discount on your first order by using this code. And this is third, where you will get 50% discount on new product from IKEA by using this code. And this is last, where you will get 30% off on using this code. Let me tell you one more thing: you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time, because this all codes are expired really fast. So go hurry and use it. And if you want more, let me know in the comment section. Hope you like this. Subscribe for more. Thank you very much for watching.